If you want to add HTML code in GoDaddy Website Builder, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps in a simple, beginner-friendly way. Whether you want to embed a form, add a custom widget, paste a script, or insert your own styled content, adding HTML can give your website much more flexibility. And the best part is, you can do it in just a few minutes. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is log into your GoDaddy account. Once you're inside your dashboard, find the website you want to edit and click Edit Website to open your website builder. This will take you directly into the editor, where you can make changes to your pages and sections. Now that the builder is open, navigate to the specific page where you want the custom HTML element to appear. This part is important because the HTML block will be added exactly where you place it, so make sure you're on the correct page and at the correct section of the page. Scroll through the layout until you find the spot where you want your custom code to show up. Once you've found the right location, look for the Add Section button, which is usually shown as a plus sign. Click that button to open the list of available sections and content blocks. On the right-hand panel, you'll see different categories and elements you can add to your page. In the search bar, type HTML, or if you don't see it right away, look under the Files and Web category. GoDaddy may organize it slightly differently depending on the version of the builder, but the HTML option should be available there. Once you find the HTML section component, click Add to place it on your page. After adding it, the HTML block will appear in your layout and a settings panel will open on the right side of the screen. This is where you can enter your custom code. Now paste your HTML code directly into the custom code text field in that right-hand panel. You can add basic HTML, embedded elements, buttons, forms, or other supported code depending on what you need for your site. Make sure your code is formatted correctly before pasting it in, because even a small typo can affect how it displays on the page. If you're embedding code from another service, double-check that it's complete and copied fully. Once the code is in place, review the preview to make sure everything looks right. If the HTML is working the way you want, click Done to save the section. After that, don't forget the final step, which is to hit Publish in the top right corner. This is what makes your changes live on your website so visitors can actually see them. If you skip publishing, your HTML code will stay only in the editor and won't appear on your public site. And that's it. You've now added HTML code in GoDaddy Website Builder and made it live on your site. This is a great way to customize your pages and add extra functionality without needing to redesign your whole website. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick GoDaddy and Website Builder tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.